Hello, welcome to Yoshi and Yuki dinner time. Today me and Yoshi we're going to cook a simple dish. It's fried rice. Nice and simple. He wants to be an elf today. Okay, so all you need is some soy sauce. This is probably one of the most important ingredients that I'll use. It's fish sauce. And some dark soy sauce. This just gives it a nice, dark sort of texture to it. And sugar. Well, with this dish, I love using garlic. You can use onions as well. It's entirely up to you. I like to use probably one bowl for 2 servings, maybe 4 cloves of garlic mixed in with oil. And I'll use probably about 4 eggs, sausage, and I'll be incorporating that into my dish. Now let's hit the pan for some cooking. You wanna cook? Yes, you wanna cook. So at this stage, what you want to do is just keep stirring the garlic until it's fully brown. Now add the sausages, and we just give it a quick stir until it's golden brown. You can use all sorts of type of meat, it doesn't have to be sausages. Now we're just going to add the eggs. Remember to just let it cook for a while, as we don't want to mix it yet, because we want the egg whites and the yolk to cook separately. Also, the most important tip about cooking these fried eggs is that you want to cook it until it's crisp and golden brown. The reason to this is because it gives it that nice fragrant fried taste to it. Once you think it's starting to cook a little, then we're going to start stirring it. Now we're just going to add the rice. Turn the heat down to medium. Another important factor when cooking fried rice is to use cold rice. You don't want to use warm or even lukewarm rice. It will not fry well when it hits the hot pan. Now we're going to add soy sauce, some fish sauce, dark soy sauce. We add some sugar. Incorporate it all together. Keep stirring and stirring and stirring. Lumps of rice. Squash, 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 squash. Stir. Remember, when cooking fried rice as well, don't make too much so it cooks the rice all evenly. That's why I'm making only 2 serves. That's it. Beautiful. Trust me, the flavor in this fried rice is absolutely delicious. And there we have it, a simple 2-minute fried rice. Still steaming hot. Beautiful. That garlic gives that aroma. Just goes really well. Really nice. onions inside with all the soy sauce, fish sauce, and the sugar. Beautiful. And there you have it. Easy, tasty, fast, simple. Thanks for watching Yoshi and Yuki Dinner Time. If you guys have enjoyed our video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like or comment. That's it for now. Bye.